Birds notice absence, not in a vague, instinctive way, in a specific, documented, deeply unsettling way. Crows have been observed returning to locations where familiar humans once stood, long after those humans stopped appearing. Not once, repeatedly, as if checking, as if waiting for something that the rest of the world had already moved on from. Geese that lose a bonded partner show measurable behavioral changes, withdrawal, altered feeding patterns, a stillness that researchers describe with careful clinical language, but that looks, from the outside, remarkably like grief.